thought it was time to make a video about my birdie. So his beak is broken permanently for life. The bottom half is split in two, so he doesn't have the strength to crack open seeds and nuts like a normal cockatiel. So I got, per my vet, Harrison's bird bread. My birdie's going to be 5 in the spring, and so this has been his maintenance his whole life, and he's doing great. They used to have a hot pepper bird bread, and they discontinued it, and when I emailed them, they said just add cayenne pepper. So all it takes is this bird bread mix, just like regular bread mix. It has some corn in there, and then it calls for some kind of good oil, and I use palm oil, which I'm actually my house is 68 degrees, so it needs to warm up a little bit because it's in a solid form right now. So I'm letting it kind of sit where the heat comes out on my oven. The oven's preheating to 350. It's super easy, and then all you need is 2 eggs and a cup of water. You mix it all together. It's important not to bake or cook anything for birds with the Teflon coating or the non-stick coating. So I am lucky enough to have some of my mom's old Corningware, which is absolutely safe for the birdies. And then I just spray it with this oil, which it barely affects the bird bread at all. You want to make sure not to use avocado oil or anything, because avocados are poisonous to the birdies. So I just mix it, and then I bake it at 350 for about 40-45 minutes, and have my bird bread. So I will probably post this hopefully on the Instagram if it's not too big of a file, and then I'll include a picture of the finished birdie bread. So here's the bird bread in the bread pan, and it's going in the oven. Okay, bird bread did about 47 minutes in the oven, and the toothpick is clean. Now I'm just going to let it sit there and cool off, and then I will cut her up into 7 slices. This bird bread bag is great because it's made to freeze your bread in there, because the bread lasts 7 weeks. Well, 6 weeks in the freezer, 1 in the fridge. So they've prepared you for everything. It's really awesome. Shelf life and storage: 1 week in the fridge, 6 weeks in the freezer. Since it's in the fridge, I just feed it to the birdie cold. I crumble it up in his bowl, and he's very happy. It's good stuff.